Good day. Do you please introduce yourself?
My name is Rizalyn M. Barangay, 34 years old. I am single mom, blessed with one child. Her name is Jaraisay Lisby Kabutahe. I am from the Philippines, province of Isabela. I'm only one child in the family. I took computer secretarial, major in steno.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I worked before in Abu Dhabi as a domestic helper, 2 years finish contract. I served 9 members in the family, 1 couple, 7 children. Their age, 16, 13, 10, 9, 7, 5, and the newborn baby. I'll do household chores like cleaning, ironing, laundry, car washing, marketing, and my main duty is to take care of their children, especially the newborn baby. I work also in Hong Kong, 2 years finish contract. I served 3 members in the family, 1 couple, 1 girl 7 years old. I also household chores like cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, cooking, and send the baby in their school and pick up their school.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I sincerely take care of them. Also, if the baby is sick, I will check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call my employer, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, dedicated, honest, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoos?
No, I don't have, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness
No,
before?
I don't have, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to earn money, to finish my house,
Okay.
to earn money, especially to my daughter, and financially stable in the future.
Okay. If you get hard, you will take care of your child.
My parents, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I remind myself I need this job for my family, sir, and focus to my work.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep 10 p.m. if my work is done, and I woke up 5 a.m., sir.
Okay. Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'm more patient and calmer with dealing them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir. Basic Chinese food like steamed fish, steel noodles, chow fan, and basic soup, sir. And I will learn, especially their culture, sir.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Like Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lived down the lane.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. Please select me as your helper. I promise to finish my contract, and I'm dedicated, hardworking, responsible, and honest person. I promise to serve your family and finish my contract. I will do my best. Thank you. God bless.